to Mel's Kitchen USA. Today we will be making the best carrot cake. We will be needing the following ingredients: 3 cups of peeled and grated carrots, 1/4 cup of raisins, 1 cup of chopped pecans just to add crunch to our carrot cake, 1 3/4 cups of white flour, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/4 cup of vegetable cooking oil, and we need 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Okay. First, we will mix in all of our dry ingredients in the bowl. Okay, we'll put in the flour, our sugar, brown sugar, because we want to incorporate well the dry ingredients, so we would have a well-balanced taste. Our baking powder, baking soda and salt, our cinnamon, sure that we got everything. Okay, we will add in our carrots, our pecans, and our raisins. Just want to make sure that our mixture is well blended together. Okay, now we will transfer our batter to a baking pan. Okay. We got chunks of butter, chunks of carrots and pecans to our cake mixture. So we want to make sure that it's well blended. Now we will transfer our cake mixture into a baking pan. We will spray oil to it so it won't stick on the bottom. Although this one says non-stick, sometimes it still does stick on the bottom when you try to remove your cake when it's done. So just to make sure that your cake will be good later on, we're gonna spray some oil to it. We will transfer our cake mixture to the pan. While we are doing this one, we already preheated our oven to 350 degrees for 5 minutes, and we will gonna bake our cake for 30 to 40 minutes. Cake mixture is ready to go into the oven. We checked our cake after 40 minutes and we noticed that it's not yet done. When we poke it with a toothpick, it did not come out clean, so we added like 15 more minutes to it. And now we will check again our cake. remove it in the oven. Oh, it's and we'll give it like 15 to 30 minutes to rest. Now that our carrot cake has cooled down, we will design it with frosting on top. Pecans on top of it as decoration. Now here is our carrot cake. Now it's time to taste our carrot cake. So soft on the inside, and it's so crunchy because of the pecans. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like our recipe for today, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell button so you would be notified for any new videos. Once again, thank you so much and God bless. Bye for now.